Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we're gonna be learning about the letter G. As you can see, it's made up of these four basic strokes, and so we start off with an entrance stroke, follow that up with the O form, and then continue with a descending stem loop, and then we finish it off with an exit stroke, which is the same as an entrance stroke. And then when we add it all together, we get the letter G. So now I'm just gonna write it down on paper and show you how this letter is formed. So we start with our entrance stroke, stop halfway, continue it with our O form. Then again we lift our pen and then we do our little descending stem loop. We go down, we make sure that this line is parallel to our 55-degree slant line. As we reach the base, we lower our pressure and go up and complete the loop. So I'm just gonna write it one more time with our entrance stroke, the O form. My oval looks a little off over there, but you get the picture. So then now we go down with our descending stem loop, lower our pressure, go back up and finish it up with the exit stroke. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.